How to remove your story from highlights. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your story from highlights on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, you go to your highlights and now click here more, and now you will see remove from highlights. Click on it, and if you don't want to remove from highlights, just click cancel. And that's how to remove your story from highlights. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching until the end.